And so I made 2 wins today. So this is my bounce play. So I got in at 64. I got a 72 SOXL, a bounce play. And I used the AI to create this vital trade for me, VITL. So I got in at 44, got a 4450. It was spot on. All right, so let's look at the thing. So it told me to go short if it hit 54 today, SOXL. It's exactly what I said to do. There's a short trade and an hourly breakdown of what's going to happen. And they also give me a long trade. See? Long trade. And all you do is upload the picture. That's perfect. Like literally, it was perfect. So right here, 5-minute time chart. It says right here, target entry pulls back to 44. Got 4450. Stop loss 4330, 70. That was on point. So example, you just do the OCO. You go buy. You go okay. For example, I'm getting at 50, and I'll tell you to stop out at 4950, and you go for $1. There's your trade. But you'll analyze your chart, so you screenshot the chart. So how would you screenshot your chart? You would use snipping tool and upload it. So you see this the thing, snipping tool and Control V. So for example, so that one is on point. So 54 to straight down. I picked the bounce because I missed it. I fell asleep. I was morning 9:30 and it says straight down. Boom. That's correct. The GPT, which I created. This is a technical analysis GPT that I created. So if you want this GPT, I'll give you the link. The link will be on the Etsy when you buy it, and then I'll give you access to it. But you're gonna need ChatGPT 4.0, so you need $20 premium too. But you'll make it back with a few trades. It's pretty accurate, and that's a vital trade. So I got in here, got out there, perfect trade, 30 minutes, pretty amazing. If it dropped a little more, I would have lost money. Not a big deal. So perfect trade. I didn't do it. The AI created the trades. I just follow it and make money. So it's been right most of the time, has been wrong, but it gives you two trades and like what scenario to do, and you just follow the scenario to be fine and make money most of the time. So far these are really really good. So I placed a lot of technical books into it, and I taught it these what I'm looking for trades. So it makes my life easier. So first things first, you would just like, for example, snipping tool, like screenshot it. Just a screenshot chart or something like this, whole chart with the numbers, and then you just Control V, and then you type something. I won't give you the prompts, but I'll provide you the prompts what to ask the GPT, so that you will know how to generate these trades. Because if you do it with the regular ChatGPT, it won't tell you. It'll just like give you a whatever kind of answer because it doesn't have the books and the stuff I taught it. What to look for in trades. See what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm selling the technical analysis GPT. You can use your own, create your own, but my version so far has been profitable and proven so far. So and trades are pretty spot on. It gives you long and short trades, like stop losses and target entries. So they're pretty reasonable, but if you think the target's too high, I just lower it by like 2 to 3, 5 cents to be more safe. But the stop losses, the risk and rewards there because it calculates it, so it's pretty good on that. The only days I would avoid are like FOMC, earnings, or big news events. And that's about it. Have a nice day. Bye.